Okay, here we are. We're at 2509 Barton Avenue. Just to get an idea, this is a neighborhood. It's kind of the streets between Curry Road and Route 158. So you're close to everything. And what's nice is this house sits at the back of the lot. There's no backyard, it's all front yard. And it's very private. A big shed. By the way, I know it's hard to tell, this is paved. And this is newly paved. You can put 4 cars here, which is great. And this is a nice yard. Grilling area, a nice tree. Over here on this side where that door is, that's like an exterior shed. That's aluminum siding on the top, vinyl on the bottom, brand new roof. Well, within the last 2 years. So let's keep going. So when I turn around, you're going to see the front yard as you would if you were hanging out here with your friends, having a private conversation with no one to bother you, which is awesome. And I just met the neighbors over there. Very nice people. This, electric. We're going to open up here. Ooh. It's around here somewhere, folks. Electric panel. It's all wood. You could actually blow out this wall, insulate here, and add on to your living room. The whole house is on a slab. And we're going to go inside now. What's really cool, oh yeah, I promised I'd show the house this way. Look at that yard. Hang out, see people without ever seeing them. And they can't see you, which is really cool. So when you go in here, this is the mudroom. So when you walk in the house, you have this rustic mudroom, right? It's actually very warm in here. It has windows, seating, storage area. And again, you hear that wind? I don't feel it. It's pretty awesome. Hang on. Okay. You walk in through the mudroom. All right. High ceilings, big closet, another closet under the stairs. This is your big living space. Right now, those shades are closed just because no one's in the house. And if you walk through here, this is your dining area. Nice and bright. Look at that afternoon sun come in. The kitchen. Now there's recessed lighting. I just don't have the lights on right now. Your washer and dryer right here. Again, no lights. Granite countertops, dishwasher, electric stove, high ceilings. That's pretty, isn't it? And then here's your bathroom. It's a half bath, which services the downstairs. Hang on, everyone. Carrier furnace, right? You have hot water tank on demand. That is a house filter for your water. Very nicely done. Did you notice that smoke detector up there? Always good to have. Again, recessed lighting, high ceilings. You have your tile. You have beautiful wood floors. Look at that, isn't it awesome? Plenty of space in here. The current sellers, they had a couch going this way. They had a couch along this side. I can't remember where the TV was. And then there was all this space over here. I'm going to bring you upstairs. And there's 2 bedrooms up here. See this floor? Brand new. They just put it in. Isn't that great? That's a high ceiling. And we walk out. This is a big landing. And there's closet space right here. Oh wait, I want to show you this. Hang on, everyone. Have the brick from the fireplace. That's going back down the stairs. Little nook there. Again, closet space. right? And then full bath up here. Very nice. Vent. Isn't that great? There's a transition piece because this is a new floor. We'll be going in shortly. This is the other bedroom. It's about half the size. The ceilings are high. It's a pretty awesome place. It's private, but yet you're close to everything. Come check out this house, 2509 Barton Ave. Oh, hey, I forgot one really important thing. This, I can do it, folks. Hang on. It's a pocket door. Saves on space. You could do it with the other doors. You could take this door and make it a pocket door. A lot of potential here. A lot of open, airy space. Lots of storage for a slab. Great yard, low maintenance everywhere. Close to everything. 2509 Barton Ave.